welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne came out for Kingston 13 in defense of Tina Chin. Guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video to hear what he has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell there so when I post, you know about it. All my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I wish you prosperity and all your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, followers, friends, subscribers, whoever you may call me out there, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. And top of the morning to everyone. Have a great one now.
Kanyam Donna shit. Come off a Tina Chin back. Come off our back. Sharp. Thank you for your cooperation. Right.
Full time now for no discipline that big old stinky.
Who's gonna discipline you, big cow, big so? Who's gonna discipline you? Who is gonna discipline you, big cow, big elephant, big frambosis, Bigfoot 13? Who's gonna discipline you? I can talk about that. The fuck?
Nasty serpent, Tina Chin.
It takes one to know, and it takes a serpent to know another. You're a damn
Who
serpent
now
too.
wait pan full time now?
Okay. Oh, you know, say. What you not saying, Bigfoot?
I know Uno Martina.
Ah. Oh, your phone gone. Oh, I'm find it.
You come out like that, you cuss the woman, you cuss Chris, you cuss no,
Cuss out
you
them
get up
backside.
This morning and go put up the woman picture.
Tina Chin cuss out them backside when them trouble you. Don't come cuss them just so. Cuss out them backside when them trouble you. They are not gods, right? They are some old long time people. Yes, you're a little bit long time too, but you're cute. You can pass. The rest of them cannot pass, right? Tina Chin, do you hear me? When they trouble you, come angle, bangle, triangle, and square them blood clot. Come and square them. I'm not going to come laugh for them nasty ass. I want to laugh. Don't be afraid of them. At this point, I'm doing too much. Especially this big nasty dog. This drunk crayassa, she doing way too much. Donna Muma, you're doing way too much. Take a strong fuck off and come off our back because you will never look like Tina Chin. Never. And that's the truth. The truth hurts, right? The truth is hurting a lot of you planks, so Ona will never look like her. Never. Me see someone look like some stick insect. Someone want to eat. Someone want to suffer from malnourishment. I don't know why I go on, but I don't look like I want to suffer. Me see some guy the party, me say blood clot. I wish by the praying man, which part this praying mantis come from? Where did this praying mantis come from? Oh, you look so. You don't eat. I suck for sugar. I suck for little grease. Why you look so? I have the big A. Why you look so? Let's talk. Why do you look like why you look the way you look? Come off Tina Chin back. I'm not doing too much. I'm not doing way too much. I'm in a business. I'm telling the truth. Get out of here.
Well, you don't know if the woman change her gloves.
You change your drawers from morning. You change your drawers from morning. You change your drawers. Fuck the glove. You change the drawers. Your daughter change her drawers too. In fact, let's not go this way. But you change the drawers. You change the drawers from morning. You wash your cutters from morning. Go wash it. Sharp. Come off stage back. Come off of the woman back. Your dog.
While you attack and spit, go in a cake.
And she pit in your mouth.
Spit.
And your mouth should have spit.
You take your hand and wipe your mouth. Continue with the grease paper.
What you not say? What you not saying, girl? Girl, what you not say?
Continue to do what you do with the grease paper.
Mm-hmm. What you not say?
Look how much time you come out here. You bake. Your nails them dirty.
At least our pum don't stink like your nasty rancid oil. Right? What about your nasty rancid oil when a man not fucking, don't worry about that. Tina Chin is cute enough, sexy enough, shape, good enough. If you pull 1 man, 2 man, 3, probably all 10 man, I gotta run her down. And it's up to her if say you want to come fuck me in my hole. Or go fuck you in your big stinking, dirty, now wash, dirty hole. Or go fuck you. What about that? Go join one gym. All I wanna go join one gym because the shape bad. I mean for shape bad. Because me be cripple. Unlike you should not have no damn excuse. Understand? Relax, dirty girl. Relax. Bitch. Relax. The fuck?
Tina Chin, look on the rock where you put the cake pan.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Look on the rock, drunker. Look on the rock.
It takes a drunker to know another drunker. And you are the first drunker. You are the first one out here. Bright. Dog. Puppy. I'm if ask her.
Yeah, the too much now.
What you not say? So you're not. All right, teen. Okay, let's say teenage is doing too much. Are you not doing too much? 30, you know, say, your problem can cuss you. Your problem if you come and cuss your backside because you're doing way too much. You come out yesterday, you cuss me. You come out yesterday, you cuss me because what? You provoked that cussing, and in turn, at this one, you was waiting for that to happen for a long time. So you got it. I'm gonna lim you up, right? And here you come. And hello. This is coming never get for cuss about last night. Me I come cuss your clock now for Tina Chin. Yes, me I cuss for her. She not cuss more cuss you for her and cuss for myself too. Understand? You're doing too much. Who's gonna fix you? I think I'm alone can fix you. Go away. You're gonna have a big mouth. No one's afraid of your mouth. Me not afraid of your mouth. I got nothing to lose but followers, girl. Go away. You're doing too much. Go look after your pit in them. Go focus for your life. Go focus for your health. Your framboise is Bigfoot. Go focus on that. You can never look like Tina Chin. You, Janice Foster, you can never, not even Donna. Donna, you can never look like Tina Chin. When I ask you, I'm telling you. 13, you can never look like Tina Chin. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. Put yourself together and Tina Chin put yourself together. Let's see who looks better. It's going to be Tina Chin. And I'm not trying to discriminate nobody, but I'm calling a spade a spade. She was better than most of you big back people. She look better than most sound. Go away. I can't she cute on a bad manner. Go away. I can't she look pretty on a bad manner. Go away. And she put on some pretty picture out there, and most of the picture look, most of the picture they're ugly till they spoil. Go away. On the don't have cute jeans. Go away. Go away. Dogs.
You're doing too, and the people them not troubling you.
Are you a troubler? So are you a troubler for them? You're doing it for them. You're doing it for them. You are doing it for them.
The people them not see you.
And they don't see you neither. It's so funny.
You're a scavenger, you're a serpent.
Scavenger and serpent. Yet still, the social media scavengers out here calling another person who's trying to make 2 ends meet a scavenger and serpent. The woman out here be a catechism. What are you doing out here with your life? What you are doing out here with your life? I harass her and her children and her parents. You're doing it for those people. Because you are benefiting from this in some way, shape, or form. I don't know to the depth or how far it goes, but you are benefiting from this. When I ask, I'm telling you, Janice Foster, you're benefiting. And if one don't see it, keep being blind. But this dirty dog is benefiting from harassing this woman and her children, especially the one with cancer. She is benefiting from harassing the woman and her pit them. My business. It's the truth. And if you don't see it, 30, you need a life. You need a damn life and come off the woman back. You're doing too much. And you go and say you don't can cuss. You cannot cuss. You cannot cuss. You're gonna have some dirty words in your mouth. Some dirty words in your mouth. That's it. I mean, me have some dirt when my mouth to say if you wanna come, let's have it. Let's freaking have it. I'm ready for you now. You're doing too much. You're doing too much for these dirty people. These corrupted old fuckers. You're doing too much. Come on for the people them back. Go look after your pit them. Go, you say, I look money for put the pit guy university. Is this why you're out here costing teaching and our family to get that money? You won't reach. It won't reach. Because make sure you're getting peanuts. The time you have a whole YouTube. You have a whole YouTube. And before you come over here, come blog and make money. Even if a $1, even if a 10 cent, you're making it the right way. But you come with a costume, okay? You know, so these people, they're giving you money to them dirty bidding. Go ahead. Let them come and defend themselves. Let them come and do it themselves. You damn fool.
Do not like the woman.
Tacky girl.
But you take the woman and come over now for you make up your paycheck.
Make a paycheck how? Do you guys hear this fabrication? Make up a paycheck how? Teenaging is not even getting paid on Facebook from what I see. I don't see no ads. I don't see no ads going through her videos. No ads. None whatsoever. Which means ads are not on. Yes, there's subscribers back, but when we go on that page, I don't see no one over there buying a badge. Nobody. So what money is she trying to, what paycheck is she trying to make out here? What paycheck? You see, I say you have to spread propaganda on people because you have to come cuss people to make a buck, 2 or 3. And that's your problem. 30 men, I remember you used to come talk about her son and say, in my collect benefit, are you gonna call the people them to report him? Has she ever come out and said anything about you and your children? Never. It was you. And if me tell them one God bats me down, you say you're gonna call the government to report her son for benefits fraud or something along that line. Right? Let's not forget. How was her son life your concern? How was that young man, whatever the government of America was giving you, how was that your concern? You see, he's a dog, this is a bitch. He's a fucking evil dog. And people like you must be eradicated. You must be eradicated from this earth. You're doing too much for these fucking old people. You're doing too much. I don't care what you say. All of you is doing too much. Only if you got dead. I was just popping on the fucking killer. Oucha. 13, go away. Go away. You are doing too much for these people. I don't care what you say. You're doing too much. Leave the woman alone. Leave her. Who's out there harassing your children? Most of you on here are mothers. Most of the people are mother. I want to pick them on a stronghold. Right? And this dog comes out every time and harass one and I pick them. Harass them. Her son is not on social media. And she harassed that boy. Go look on her page. She does it all the time. She start harass the woman father. For them nasty dog people here. Who are scam out on the pussy wall. So when I hear that, when a doctor on a fool, come off the woman back, 30. Come off her back. Go look after your big stinking foot. You're doing too much. And I don't care. Don't like me. Go like your mama. Go like your fucking mama. You're doing too much. I'm tired of all of you people. Every day, wanna harass Marcia, wanna harass Tina Chin. Who's harassing Uno? Who is harassing any of you? Nobody. It's time to start getting dose on one fucking medicine. Anything to get to take that blood clot. Simple. And Tina Chin, me not care. Tina Chin, listen, let me tell you already now. Anytime I see anything happening to you, woman, I like, me I come talk. And you don't have to, don't say no thank you. Me don't want to thank you from me. I don't want no thanks from nobody. Keeping the thanks for myself. But I have to do it because if I don't, who's gonna do it? Me I gotta talk. 30 if you got dead. Got dead. Got fucking dead. You're doing too much. Tired of you. Harasser. You're a damn harasser. You're freaking evil. I don't like you.
You're too out of order.
Hear there. She's out saying she's too out of order. Who has the blueprint for being out of order? Who has the blueprint for being out of order? I know you. 13. 13, is it not you have the blueprint for being out of order? Isn't that on the people them have the blueprint for being out of order? You, Erica Ashanti, and what on over the other side, is it not Uno have the blueprint for being out of order? Marcia and Tina Chin does not provoke none of you. And Uno always come trouble the people them because Uno want to bring them down by any means necessary. No, let's be real. 13, let's be real about this. I am an outsider. I see what I see. It's been going for far too long. And every fucking year come with the same shit for that big. Hey, don't me this. Hey, more dissing the people them, no. More dissing the people them. Because I'm tired of these old fucks. I'm tired of all of them. One of them just got blood clot. They do what I don't know. Because I'm doing fucking too much. I hate you people. I'm doing too much. And the sad part is, no one is trouble. Nobody not trouble pitting them. Nobody. So how does it now come into play when the OTA just harass people so people and then pick this up? Watch that. When they come out at daytime, when OTA put out things about CJ, Curly's son. Is CJ trouble in my trouble, no? Is this boy trouble? No. But no one bring the people them paint by any means necessary, right? When some slut dog the one I know. Planks when you go suck out to the man body all I know. Any plank of you go suck your man hood. You hear me? When you doing too much. I'm gonna name that shit too. When you doing too much. On a fucking old groupie old dog gonna be. All I know a groupie. Got drink then a pistol. Groupie dog shit gonna be. Go away. I don't like you people. When I'm wicked. I'm in a business on his wicked. And it's on a wicked. I'm gonna take it back. Me sit you on a wicked. Look at Erica mama. And this dog, she come out every day. Harass people and pick me. I push up people in their phone so. So that wicked. Who out there are trouble I pick them? The people don't show out there trouble. Are they troubling their children? No. On out there, it's not funny. Or suck one old. When I'm doing too much. Slut dogs all on the be. Plants gonna suck on the mama. And if they're dead, go dig them up and name them. Dogs. I'm tired of you people. Like on a God. Fuck off.
Full time now for these people.
Bitches.
Use them money now. Full
Me not play the money, girl, you know. Me not play no money, girl.
You don't spend no money.
Why you not spend for you?
Want spend the money.
Why you not go spend for you? Go spend for you. Since go spend for you for them. Go spend yours for them in a court. Every time you talk about court. And if nothing to go in a court, on the can't go, on Jonathan in a fucking handcuff. On the seat, on a criminal, well, on a criminal, on his criminal people. From the head to straight down to on a fucking criminal, well, I know. You hear me? On his criminal, on a scammer, on a thief. Do all I know. Go away. Dogs.
Full time now for no protect on brand because this
what brand?
Serpent
What
is
brand?
not stopping.
What brand? What the brand there? Where is the brand?
You got to do something.
Where is the brand? Who has the brand out here? Them brand been popped a long time. Nothing of them can't even get one fucking endorsement of foreign. If they want brand, tell them to go pull up 2 endorsements of foreign. Go away. Which brand? Go away. We're not going to social with the people. Go away. Brand on the blood clot. What the brand? Forget. Go away. Rihanna is a brand. Rihanna is a brand. Robin Rihanna Fenty is a brand. Beyonce is a brand. Kylie Jenner is a brand. Kim Kardashian is a brand. What the blood clot brand? The fuck off. On jing bang. On fucking. Go away. Brand on a bomber cloud. Why brand there? Go away. On a 2 contract. Go away. Why brand there? Where is the brand? Show me. But I must brand under your big wall. The brand must under your big underneath your fucking big wall. I must have said brand there. Go away. Brand your blood clot, or a dog, or a thief.
You have to do something for protect your family.
Yeah, there. When I have to do something for protect the family. So who's gonna protect Teenage's family? Who is gonna protect Teenage's family from an onslaught? Who's gonna protect her family from all of your onslaught against her? Who's gonna protect Marcy's family from an onslaught against him? Try to go protect your big wall. Go protect your big stinking crutches, dog. Move. Hey, but you know.
For Chris make Pamela and Donna Van rest in peace.
Yeah, there. How Chris did know?
For Donna make Lulu live her last days in peace and happiness with joy.
Full time Donna make Lulu live out her last days with happiness and joy. Donna should have thought about that before she could bring Ashanti in her space. Donna should have thought about that before she bring Ashanti and Porty in her space. Lulu will never have no blood clad peace. Lulu not get no fucking peace. She not get no fucking peace. You understand, 13? And who not get no